Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soya bean sauce. First, you'll want to select top-notch soybeans, as their quality directly impacts the final flavor. Begin by soaking your chosen soybeans in plenty of water for a minimum of 12 hours. This softens them up nicely. After soaking, cook the beans until they are perfectly tender. You want them soft enough to mash easily, but not so soft that they turn into a complete mush. This initial step is crucial for a successful fermentation. Next, we move to the magical koji fermentation stage. Combine your cooked soybeans with an equal amount of roasted, cracked wheat, and then introduce the special koji mold spores. Spread this mixture thinly on trays, ensuring good air circulation for the mold to thrive. Maintain a warm and humid environment, ideally around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, for about 2 to 3 days. This allows the koji to develop enzymes essential for breaking down the proteins and starches. Now it's time for the brine and aging process, where the flavors truly deepen. Carefully transfer your koji-inoculated mixture, now called moromi, into a large fermentation vessel. Then, add a salt brine solution. This is typically an 18 to 20% salt concentration, which inhibits unwanted bacteria. The moromi will then age for several months, or even up to 2 years, allowing complex flavors to develop. Patience here is key for a rich, umami-packed sauce. Finally, we reach the last steps, pressing and pasteurization. Once your moromi has aged sufficiently, it's time to press it, extracting the rich, raw soy sauce liquid. This liquid is then carefully filtered to remove any remaining solids, ensuring a clear and smooth product. To stabilize the sauce and enhance its shelf life, pasteurize it by gently heating it to about 60 degrees Celsius. After cooling, your homemade soya bean sauce is ready to be bottled and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.